spicy.
Oh,
Hot sauce?
no spicy.
No spicy. Good.
We've just left the hotel and pulled up for a little bit of breakfast on the sidewalk. So we're getting some dumplings and this. Not sure what that is. Here comes breakfast.
Breakfast champions.
Dumplings. So good morning from Seoul. Last day today.
Do you want to go through that palace thing? The garden? No one really takes any notice of the arrows. We're meant to ride on the right hand side. Oh! Doesn't look like we can go through there. No, no. Yeah, footpath. You can see the signs. Never mind.
Obstacle course.
So this is, I think, our third day in the city of Seoul, and as much fun as it is, I can't wait to get it back out on the country pathways. I haven't run over anyone yet, so that's good. Nearly. A couple of close calls. It's a nice temperature today. Could be about 13 degrees. And we're making our way over to the National Museum. There's the plumber's truck. The guys out. Jeez, I haven't used those guys since 1970. 1976, actually. Used to have one just like it.
Police escort happening here. I think the American embassy is here as well.
Remnants of the cherry blossoms and flowing down on the breeze. So this is the National Museum of Korea, and we've decided that it looks so huge that we would need about 3 or 4 hours to go through it all, which would be lovely. but we need to find a spot to camp tonight, which is most likely still 5 hours away. So we're going to keep rolling on. We're just going to have a coffee here and then continue. So it's been a really good ride this morning, coming through the city. Fairly hectic, as you could think, with peak hour, but fun all the same.
So we've made it back to the river after cruising through the streets of Seoul.
The city, back on the river. Nothing like a change. It's been another hectic morning in the city. Glad to be out of it. Didn't get lost. That's a bonus. It's quite a bit hotter today. Yeah, I think it's most likely up around 19, 20 degrees now. There's a bit of humidity hanging about. And we are most likely to experience more heat as we head further south towards Busan. Hey, if riding was like this in the shade underneath the highway all the way, it would be great. It's great to see so many people out on bikes. But these bikeways really make it possible. Keep away from traffic and pedestrians. It's just the way to go. We're coming up on letterbox number 4. Wheelchair, look. I reckon he's doing about 18 kilometres an hour. Past me. Can you see all the fish? They look like mullet, I would say, but they go all the way out there. And there's a little turtle too. Must be freshwater. So they might be catfish. Where's my beloved got to? Maybe she had to stop to go to the loo.
Look how beautiful and how vibrant these tulips are. Just gorgeous.
This must be a summer location. All these little wakeboards, surfboards, what do you call them? Stand-on boards. Paddleboards. The ocean's looking much cleaner here. And see that big building over there? That would have to be the biggest building in Seoul, I would believe. It is massive. It's 3 times the size of any of the other high-rise. Thought you would have jumped down and rode down.
Without the luggage, we could have ridden the stairs, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I said. Just do a bit of roundabout cheating. I don't know if you can see them, but the fish swimming up the fish bypass. I wonder why they would choose this way instead of the other way. And I wonder if you're not allowed to fish in these areas. They're all hanging around this rock here in the eddy. Yeah, just there. Look, behind the eddy, behind the rock. See them all resting in the eddy. Yeah, they look like koi or carp of some kind. And no one's here fishing, so it must be banned in this area. There's a whole heap in that.
They're all coming in there. There must be something to feed on.
Well, maybe they get food coming downstream like most fish. But they're all over the place, all the way down there. You can see their tails around there. But yeah, the fish must get food here, because otherwise why wouldn't they swim where it's easy out there? It is a beautiful day today. We're getting out of the smog. Clouds have cleared. Sunny, cool breeze. And probably still around about 19 degrees, 20 degrees ish. They're all different.
So we're just having some lunch. Pulled up alongside the river.
Tuna
Alongside the home. We have some sushi. It's tuna.
And this one is
Brandon's got some chicken.
chicken carriagey. I have a feeling this is the post box, but it's a different colour than the others. And this is actually a telephone box. No, that's not it. I think I can. Oh, that was hard. In between post office 5 and post office 6, just after post office 5, there is this 400 metre, about 10% grade, and gee, on a half-full stomach, it was very challenging. I think Cecile's walking it.
We've just hit a decent incline. This last little bit I had to hop off. Run out of breath. Run out of breath.
But yeah, what goes up must come down. I love the down. I find a shady spot and wait for it.